Vegeta went to planet Namek to secure the Dragon Balls. Gohan and Krillin had Namekian business of their own. They visited the creator of the Dragon Balls. The great sage revealed their hidden powers. But unfortunately, this Namekian soiree was to have some uninvited guests. Frieza and his bodyguards, known as the Ginyu Force, had also landed, and they weren't leaving without the Dragon Ball. Alongside Vegeta, Krillin and Gohan put up a valiant effort, but they were no match for the imposing power of the Ginyu Force.
We can't let them win!
Landing operations complete. Welcome to planet Namek.
Gohan, Krillin, I know things aren't good. Hold tight. I'm coming. I can only hope my training will be enough.
Goku's arrival.
You did very well. I'm proud. You fought hard. And now it's my turn.
Fool! You think you can take on the Ginyu Force all by yourself?
Well, I'm gonna give it a shot. You think you're ready for me?
Ready for you? Oh, you crack me up. But enough of the comedy routine. Let's finish this. Attack! Oh!
That was incredible! Amazing! That was just... we couldn't even budge him! But Goku just up and annihilated the guy!
No, not him. His power is incredible. Could he be the one? Once every 1,000 years a Super Saiyan is born. But it's not fair. It should be me. I am the Prince of all Saiyans. No!
So you've somehow managed to make it through my elite team. But now you face Captain Ginyu. I am undefeated. Get ready to die.
Vegeta, you take the one on the left, all right? I know that you've regained your strength since you lost your power earlier. And for our sake, I hope that will be enough.
How did you know that?
Set, go!
No, that's like a pressing business elsewhere. Go Dragon Balls are mine! Vegeta! A real Super Saiyan!
We both know that you can't beat me, Ginyu. Hear me? And I'm tired of this senseless fighting. So why don't you just give up?
But wait a minute. Super Saiyans are supposed to be the most powerful fighters in the universe. That's right. So maybe you're not quite a Super Saiyan just yet. But I gotta admit you're a whole lot stronger than I am, and you must know the old saying. If you can't beat them, join them.
What are you doing?
Say now! Not bad at all. Kinda cozy in here.
I found you!
So you're still alive, are you? I should have smashed up my body more.
What? And spoil all the fun?
Vegeta!
Go ahead and finish this, Ginyu. I'll take care of the winner.
This won't take long. Remember your next, Vegeta! Ah!
Better.
Goku's last-minute entry put an end to the Ginyu Force. The elite soldiers fell like dominoes. And Vegeta taught a few classes himself in this school of pain. With Vegeta napping, Gohan and Krillin took the Dragon Balls. And with a little aid from the Namek Dende, they were able to make their wish.
Your wish is granted.
I'm home. Yes, but how? With Guru's passing, the Dragon Balls were turned to stone and left powerless, crushing Vegeta's dream of becoming a Super Saiyan.
Why can't anything good happen to me
But
today?
a Super Saiyan might come in handy when you're facing a furious Frieza. The road to Super Saiyan.
Well. I must say, Vegeta, this may be a first, but it's far from a pleasure. I have been made a fool of, and I don't like it one little bit.
Get used to it. I am well on my way to becoming a Super Saiyan Frieza.
For a little bug, you tell big lies. And I've had enough of it! Lying after all. Impressive. But it's time you learn what real power is. Watch closely, Vegeta. It's rare that I transform anymore.
Faced with Frieza's monstrous transformation, Piccolo decides to merge with the Namek hero Nail and combine their powers. I'm here. But Frieza's next transformation proved too much even for Piccolo's new might.
Yes, that's it. Now I'll truly become a Super Saiyan. My plan really worked. I feel it. I am the Invincible Saiyan.
Frieza or Vegeta?
Now you shall see my ultimate power. More horrible than death.
Stay out of my way. This is between him and me.
You sound very sure of yourself. Did you drive yourself mad? I wanted that pleasure.
You just keep smiling while you can, Frieza. This time, you face your worst nightmare. I am a Super Saiyan.
Oh, please, you must be joking.
Drop dead! Come on! I'm coming for you, Frieza! You can't run from me! No.
Are you sure that you're Super Saiyan, Vegeta? I don't know. It seems rather unlikely.
What happened? No, this can't be my limit. But I'm a Super Saiyan! Die, Frieza!
Unable to face his greatest failure, the once proud Saiyan Prince loses his will to fight.
Well, Super Saiyan, it's time to say goodnight. Great. What could it be this time? Oh, well. He'll be well disposed of soon enough. What?
Frieza, your reign of terror has ended. Now you must face a real Super Saiyan.
Now, Vegeta, I told you that I don't like your lies.
Vegeta! Frieza, you monster! You didn't have to do that. I don't believe you. He was already down.
No, Kakarot. You must feed off your emotions. It's the only way to become a Super Saiyan. Listen to me, Kakarot. Frieza destroyed our planet and all of the Saiyan people. He's very afraid of both of us and of our possibilities. He knows that you're becoming a Super Saiyan, and you must